In this video, we are going to see how to draw a parabola. Here the question is construct a parabola when the distance between focus and the directrix is equal to 60 mm. Draw a tangent and a normal at any point on the parabola. So first you read the problem and write the given data. In this question they directly mention they are asking to draw a parabola and the distance between the focus and directrix value is 60 mm. First you draw the directrix line and next also draw the axis line, and here the point name is C, and now I'm going to mark the distance between the focus and the directrix is 60 mm. I'm going to mark the focus point. So from the directrix line on the axis line 60 mm distance, I mark one point. So this is the focus point. And now we need to mark the vertex point. In this problem the eccentricity value is not given. For parabola the eccentricity value is equal to 1. So this value is not given in the problem. The eccentricity E is equal to 1. So that means in the denominator also it is considered as 1. So we are going to add numerator and denominator. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. So we need to divide the distance between the directrix and focus into two equal parts. Here total distance is CF distance is 60 mm. So 60 divided by 2 is equal to 30 mm. Okay, and now I am going to divide the line between the directrix and the focus into two equal parts. So at the 30 mm I am going to mark the point. So this is the point for the vertex, and now you draw one straight line from the vertex point and make one arc by measure the distance of V and F. Here the arc meet at the straight line. The point is S. So here the VF distance is equal to VS distance, and now connect the point S and C. Draw one line. After that I am going to divide the line. I am going to divide the axis line from the point V at some equal value. So I am going to divide by 10 10 10. So first division 10 mm, second division, third division, fourth division, fifth division, sixth division, seventh and eighth division. Okay, so like I divide the line. So this is point number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and from all the points now I'm going to draw one straight line from point 1 and from point 2, from point 3, from point 4, 0.5, 0.6, and here 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, and 8 dash. Now take the compass and measure the distance of 1 and 1 dash distance and place the compass on the focus point and make an arc on the line 1 and 1 dash line above the axis and below the axis. And let's measure the distance of 2 and 2 dash and place the compass on the focus point, make an arc above and below the axis line. And let's measure the distance 3 and 3 dash, focus is the center point and make the arc on the line. And next measure the distance 4 and 4 dash and focus is the center point, make the arc. And next measure the distance 5 and 5 dash, place the focus is the center point and make the arc. Make the arc on the 5 and 5 dash line. So like you make an arc on the remaining lines. Now you give the name on the various points. This is P1, P1 dash, P2, P2 dash, here P3, P3 dash, P4, P4 dash, P5, P5 dash, P8, P8 dash. After giving the name, connect all the points by a smooth curve. It starts from the vertex point B and P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8. Like you trace a curve below the axis also. Connect all the points by a smooth curve. And here the parabola curve intersect at the axis on the vertex point. And finally you darken the curve. After darken the curve, now in the question they are asking draw a tangent and normal at any point on the parabola. So I am going to fix one point on the parabola curve. So here I am going to mark the point P. Now I am going to connect the P and F by a straight line and then place the protractor over the line and focus is the center and I take 90-degree angle and I'm going to connect the point of 90-degree angle and the focus point. I trace a line till the directrix line. From the directrix line I am going to connect the point P. So this line is the tangent line T dash. And now place the protractor on the point P on the tangent line. The point P is the center point and take angle 90-degree and connect that point and point P, trace a straight line. This line is the normal line n dash. After tracing the curve, we need to mention name of the curve. So make one leader line and you write parabola, and in the bottom of the diagram I will mention the dimension, that means the distance between the directrix and the focus is 60 mm, and in the bottom of the right corner on the diagram you mention tt dash is equal to tangent, n dash is normal, and all dimensions are in mm, scale 1:1.